तो ऊपर Bhattacharya Center. Yeah.
Thank you so very much.
तमन्ना डॉटर भी स्टार्टिंग
जब लोग आ जाएं
व्यू का क्यों अचानक ही क्यों व्यू इट वाज इन्फॉर्म टू मीडिया इट वाज व्यू another 20 minutes back I would say rather it was
Silence please. उनके बारे में जानना चाहिए क्योंकि आज वेरी नाइस.
अरे यार क्या है यार प्रोफेशनलिज्म भाग जाए
बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक.
चलो रोलिंग really good to see you तमन्ना.
Thank you so much. Thank you all for coming here. It's मेरी एक फिल्म रिलीज हुई तेलुगु में, उसका नाम है F2 and it was a film that we all really loved because it was it's a comedy, it's a fun film but I think हम सबके लिए tricky हो जाता है जब भी हम comedies करते हैं कि वो slapstick ना हो and this is a really really fun family film and ये film बहुत ही अच्छी receive हुई तेलुगु में. In fact, it's touched 100 crores, so I think I was really really excited about it. I said I have to share it with my friends in Mumbai. And ये एक ऐसी फिल्म है I think जो सभी को समझ में आएगी because बहुत ही शादीशुदा मर्दों की लाइफ कैसी होती है. I think now I think already everybody is connected because that is I think some a universal emotion and you don't need language for that. So yeah, it's quite a cool film and I'm waiting for all my friends to come in and I hope they watch the film and enjoy the film and just so that they understand the film with subtitles so that Telugu people who don't understand Telugu can understand.
Who are the people coming in?
Well, I'm hoping there's Prabhu sir, I think, who's coming. There is there's Pariniti who's coming. So yeah, some of my friends are there. Shruti is coming. She's a very dear friend. Akshara is coming. So couple of close friends are going to be here.
ये फिल्म हिंदी में भी देखने को मिलेगी.
I mean, it's a film that's universal. I hope funny because it's got that potential. It's got the potential to be made in every language. क्योंकि ये जो मैंने बोल दिया ना कि मतलब जिस इंसान की शादी हो जाती है उसके बाद उसकी लाइफ कैसे हो जाती है उस सब्जेक्ट पे आधारित है. So I think that's a very universal emotion.
Good evening, Ronan. Thank you for calling us over here.
Thank you for coming.
पता है कई लोग तो ये वेट करते हैं कब आपका इवेंट हो रहा है. हाँ कई लोग
बिल्कुल कैसे आप ही रुकते हैं because जितना प्यार से आप मुझे इंटरव्यू करते हैं it always feels very warm and I feel very happy to interact with everyone who comes here.
हाँ और पता है कई लोग तो कैमरा में बोलते थे कि भाई मैं तो जाऊँगा ही जाऊँगा.
That is so sweet.
होता है ना.
That is really sweet. That is really sweet.
तमन्ना इस फिल्म में आपका कैरेक्टर क्या है?
So I play a very strong career-oriented woman, but she's also slightly cunning, which also forms the kind of the conflict, the kind of. But I also embody essentially the Indian woman who who wants to have an amazing, who wants to have a good marriage, who wants to be wants to have a great family life. So I think. For making it cinematic, उसको थोड़ा cunning बनाती है, but it's actually all out comedy.
आप बहुत अच्छी फिल्में कर रही हैं मतलब कई बड़ी फिल्मों के आप पार्ट रहे हैं और वो जो आजकल जो टर्म यूज हो रहा है perfectly कि content driven.
Yeah, I think it's everyone today. I think हम सभी जो फिल्में हम जो देखना भी चाहते हैं वो even if we're doing commercial films we need content in it. So I think it's the call of the day and South हो या हिंदी फिल्में हो, I think सभी people are more concerned about कि फिल्म की स्टोरी कैसी है versus इसमें कौन है.
तो आपकी एक और फिल्म जो क्वीन का आपका
Yes, so we're waiting for a release date to come. Hopefully March is when they'll have a release.
जो क्वीन थी उसकी मणिकर्णिका.
Yes, I haven't seen the film. I'm waiting to watch the film. मैं काफी सारे अपनी फिल्में नहीं देख पाती, so I'm just like I need to catch up on a lot of movies. But I'm hearing such good reviews for Manikarnika, for Uri, so I'm looking forward to watching all these films. Need to catch up.
आपके पेरेंट्स भी आए हैं?
Yes, they've come here. They've come here to support to support the whole team. Also, my director will be coming in. वो Anil Ravipuri sir हैं जो हैदराबाद से हैं and he's flying down just for this. So I'm really excited. I'm expecting him and also Mehreen, who's the other lead, female lead in the film. She's also going to be accompanying us tonight. So I'm happy that मैं अकेले ये नहीं कर रही हूँ, मेरे साथ मेरी पूरी टीम आने वाली है.
Okay.
नहीं, actually मेरे मम्मी डैडी ने फिल्म नहीं देखी है, which is quite an interesting part because फिल्म हैदराबाद में रिलीज हुई थी. They haven't seen it. As Indian films, thanks to Bahubali in my career, I think my vision and my everything bloomed because I figured that it's important to make good films. It could be in any language, and today people are responding to good cinema. It can be in any language. So I think I want to make good Indian films and be a good Indian actor.
Ma'am, you have friends in both Bollywood as well as South industry.
Yeah.
During the Me Too campaign, many people were, involved in the Me Too campaign in the Bollywood. What about South industry? It's more professional and clean as compared to Bollywood.
And the recent attack on Rajkumar Hirani, what's your take on that?
So I personally feel like it's not a Me Too is not a Bollywood problem first of all, nor is it a South problem. It's a world problem. It's a universal problem. In films, I guess film personalities or celebrities, it's easier to pinpoint at them because people know them. So it's much easier to say this is the person, that is the person. So that is much easier said than done. But I think it's in every industry. My only thing is that this movement should be given its due respect. People should not use it as a PR ploy, which it should not be, because then it loses its gravity, and it's a very, very important. It's very important for not just our industry, for every industry to have this. But it has to be respected and dealt with in the right fashion, and people need to respect it. People need to even respect the people who've been accused in the case, because till nothing is proven, nothing is done. I think that respect should be maintained. At the same time, it's very important, the awareness, the fear that when people offend in a certain way is going to not go down very well. So I think that's what's essential with this movement, and it's essential in every industry. हमारी फिल्में तो ऐसे कि actors and celebrities and directors and whatever, it's much easier to pinpoint and say yeah, that person because everyone knows them.
And तमन्ना जी, एक ये सवाल कि 2 दिन पहले उमंग अवार्ड के जरिए
जी
रणवीर सिंह ने एक पुलिस वालों के साथ में एक फ़ोटो निकलवाई थी, एंड मतलब कि गोद में आके उन पुलिस की वर्दी में फ़ोटो निकलवाई थी, देन उसे बहुत ही ट्रोल किया जा रहा है.
अच्छा, मुझे बिल्कुल मालूम नहीं, बट
जब चीज़ों को ट्रोल की जाती है कई बार आपकी पिक्चर्स को भी, कैसे देखती हैं आप इन
आई हैव कम टू बिलीव इन टुडेज टाइम ऑफ सोशल मीडिया. आप अगर अपना ओपिनियन डाल दो कि नहीं मुझे पिंक नहीं, मुझे ब्लू कलर पसंद है, आप यू विल बी ट्रोल्ड फॉर एवरीथिंग यू से एंड एनीथिंग यू से. सो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट द ट्रूथ ऑफ बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ today's times, where if you are on social media and if you are a film personality or if you're a celebrity, you're going to get trolled. So I think people have to just take it with a pinch of salt.
And you're a heartbreaker.
आज कुछ और कपड़े नहीं मिले तो ये मैं आज क्या अपनी स्क्रीनिंग दी तो भाग के मैं तैयार हुई हूँ.
नहीं, पर पक्का आपने ये सोच विचार के किया है. पूरा विश्वास है हमें कि this has been purposely done.
आपको हमारी स्टाइलिंग के स्टोरीज एक बार बैठ के बताएंगे कि कैसे होते हैं हमारी स्टाइलिंग.
But are you a heartbreaker?
Good question. Well, I'd like to be.
You are.
I'd like to be, but not as yet. But I'd like to be.
Okay, the last one.
Please. आपके विचार डाइवर्स चीज़ों पे हमने सुने. एक और भी हम लाइक यू हैव अ नॉलेज ऑफ डिफरेंट फील्ड्स एंड एवरीथिंग. आपकी नॉलेज में व्हाट आर द प्रोविजंस व्हिच शुड बी मेड फॉर द सिटीजन्स ऑफ इंडिया एंड फॉर द फिल्म इंडस्ट्री. जब हम देखते हैं कि सरकार की तरफ से कुछ प्रावधान किए जाने वाले हैं और वो घड़ी या दिन नज़दीक है, क्या अपेक्षाएं आपके मन में रहती हैं? 1 तारीख को फरवरी को बजट है, उसके ऊपर में आपके विचार, अगर आप एक कॉमन आदमी, एक सामान्य मानसिकता के हिसाब से क्या होना चाहिए?
See, there are lots, and this is a very, very large question you've asked. It's a very very over
expensive.
Not an expensive, but it's a very large question. If you talk in terms of industry, there are so many things that we like. I think essentially for the country, what I can always imagine is that because I've also been a part of the Swachh Bharat campaign, I generally feel like sanitation is something that's a problem everywhere. Like, we should not be thinking about how difficult it is to use the restroom in a place. It could be in studios, it could be in public places, railway stations, airports. Sanitation is a thing that I think essentially our country, I think that's some very basic thing that needs to be altered everywhere. It could be cities, it could be rural. So I think and from the film perspective, I think if we are allowed to make content that is more which is more relevant today if it's given more support, then it's easier for us to, as creative people, also to make content that will influence people, because whether we like it or not, films have an effect on people. We are responsible about it, and we feel that it should be always we are careful about what content we make. But I think if we really want to make an influence, then we should be allowed to kind of explore present topics.
पर आपने देखा भी GST तो कम किया है, तो ये थोड़ा सा एक पॉजिटिव एंड एनकरेजिंग स्टेप है. थोड़ा हिंदी में रखना आंसर देते हुए.
ये सभी को डायरेक्ट करते हैं ना. इट्स अ ग्रेट थिंग. आई थिंक अगर GST कम होता है तो आई थिंक सब खुशी हैं. आई थिंक सब आजकल हम जो भी फील्ड में हैं, वी आर जस्ट ट्राइंग टू मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ आवर जॉब. आजकल बहुत हर प्रोफेशन में बहुत हार्ड वर्क है. तो अगर ऐसी सुविधाएं और बने, शायद सिटीजन्स और भी खुश हों. एंड इट्स गुड फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
ओके, दिस विल बी द लास्ट वन.
सर आप 3 सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, इन्होंने 10 पूछे हैं.
जैसे आपने अभी कहा कि यू आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग क्वीन आपने करी है, कंगना को किसी ताल्लुक की जरूरत नहीं है. लेकिन मणिकर्णिका के रिलीज के बाद कई विवाद खड़े हुए हैं, जहाँ एक सीनियर डायरेक्टर क्रिश या मिस्टी चक्रवर्ती की बात करूँ, उनका ये इल्ज़ाम है कि कंगना ने उनके रोल पूरा जो क्रेडिट है डायरेक्शन की जब बात करें तो क्रिश का ये कहना है कि पूरी फिल्म मैंने ही डायरेक्ट की थी, लेकिन मुझे मणिकर्णिका को रिलीज तक लाना था, इसलिए मैं चुप रहा.
जी.
Yesterday you have given the interview to all the top papers and all. Now today, Mishti Chakrabarti coming in the picture and saying the same thing.
Who's Mishti Chakrabarti? Sorry, I don't even know who
she have done Kanchian.
Okay.
She's a part of.
Okay, sorry. Because of my lack of, I apologize for my lack of information on this subject. I know Krish personally. I haven't worked with him, but क्योंकि हम एक ही इंडस्ट्री को बिलोंग करते हैं, काफ़ी सारी बार मुलाकात हुई है. कंगना, आई नो हर एज एन एक्टर, वट एवर. मैंने उनका जो भी काम स्क्रीन पे देखा है, मैं सिर्फ एक बात कह सकती हूँ कि कंगना को कोई टच नहीं कर सकता एज एन एक्टर. शी इज़ बिन अ ब्रिलियंट परफॉर्मर, एंड फ़ैन भी हूँ और एडमायर भी करती हूँ. फिल्में बनाना, आप जो देखते हैं, आपके सामने जो बातें आती हैं वो सिर्फ ऊपरी बातें आती हैं. जो फिल्में बनाने में जो एफ़र्ट जाता है, जो श्रम जाता है, वो आई थिंक it's really not explainable even. And कभी कभी complications होते हैं सेट पे. You could be with your director, it could be with other technical crew in the film, but फिल्में बननी हैं और रिलीज़ होनी हैं, and different people will have different issues while that happens. Krish is an amazing director. मैंने उनकी काफ़ी सारी फिल्में साउथ की देखी हैं. इट्स जस्ट एन अनफॉर्चुनेट सिचुएशन जहाँ दोनों की मतलब उनकी अनबन हो गई है एंड इट्स नॉट वर्किंग आउट. बट क्रिएटिव लोगों के साथ ऐसा होता है. हमारा कोई मैथमेटिकल जॉब नहीं कि बस 2+2 is 4 की. इट्स नॉट दैट सिंपल. इट्स अ क्रिएटिव जॉब. तो दो क्रिएटिव लोगों को सिंक होना चाहिए, और अगर किसी वजह से वो नहीं हो रहे, आई थिंक इट्स बेस्ट दैट only the film should be kept in importance, and film की film जी,
क्योंकि मैं चाहता था फिल्म रिलीज हो.
Absolutely, the film has to be given the prior importance.
Personally,
जी.
And you know Kangana as an actor.
See, I think it's very unfair for me to comment because I have not been in the set. I think because I'm a part of the film industry, I all the more feel अगर आप सेट पे नहीं हो तो आपको सच्ची में क्या हो रहा है कभी भी मालूम नहीं हो सकता. आई रियली फील सैड कभी कभी कि मीडिया तक सिर्फ आधी बात पहुंचती है, या जो बात बतानी चाहिए वही बात पहुंचती है. बट बहुत सी चीज़ें होती हैं सेट पे जो इट्स रियली हार्ड टू टेल, एंड बट इट्स लाइफ. आई मीन यू हैव टू मेक अ फिल्म एंड यू हैव टू ब्रिंग इट आउट टू पीपल, क्योंकि आखिरी में ये फिल्में लोगों के लिए बन रही है, एंड पीपल हैव टू वॉच इट, पीपल हैव टू लाइक इट. सो हु मेक्स इट, हाउ इट्स मेड, दैट जर्नी विल ऑलवेज बी अ मिस्ट्री.
Thank you so much.
थैंक यू जी.
थैंक यू.
Thank you so much.
तमन्ना जी थोड़ा वेट. अरुण नहीं हूं मैं. अरे साइड हो जाओ.
Thank you guys for all your questions and patience. Thank you.
प्रभु सर
लेफ्ट में.
सेंटर
सर ऑन द लेफ्ट.
थैंक यू.
भाई आप नीचे रखो प्लीज.
रेडी सर.
नहीं उसको
रोल है.
Rolling.
ओके प्रभु जी.
Good to see you, sir.
Thank you.
A very good evening to you.
Good evening.
We have one of the most wonderful actresses who is part of both the industries, and now you have come to see one of her movies.
Yeah. F2. I guess I heard the. I mean, I only called her and told her, yeah, I want to see the film. So she told this screening is there. Definitely I will come. Because it's a super hit. It's going so well. So I told her I want to see it.
आपने इन्होंने आपको लैंग्वेज सिखाई आपको?
More than language, I think, because of Sir, I have a problem now. I have to do everything really, like he's so like alert and time effective on set. I've become like this with all my team, sir. Now they are like, I can never sit. He never sits. He's always like energetic, always doing his thing on set. So I think that's what I've learned from him the most.
And what is the exceptional quality you could find in her as an actress?
Hard work. Super hard work. She tells me, no, she is more than me. She hard works. Too good.
You wanted to ask him? Sir, you wanted to ask him?
Arun sir, you are asking something to Babu sir. Please go ahead.
फिल्म को लेकर कितने एक्साइटेड हैं आप एंड लाइक तमन्ना जी?
This film? I'm very excited. I love to watch that. I only called her and asked her, I want to see F2, the film. Please arrange for some show or something. Then she told me, no, I'm coming. Yeah, I'm here only. I'm coming.
Babu sir, Bollywood में I don't know to make a differentiate between two industry, but it's the same industry end of the day. जब बॉलीवुड में बड़े-बड़े सितारों की फिल्में नहीं चल रही हैं, वहाँ 100 करोड़ का बिजनेस कर रही है तमन्ना की फिल्म. What's your take on that?
I mean, why not? Here also it's going well. I mean, there it's going well. Every film industry is becoming big. Because of now the digital is open, I mean, satellite, many things. It's becoming big. Everywhere it's becoming big.
We just interviewed Tamanna and she said it is a story of 99% it's a story of a married people.
Yeah, married people. That's what I saw the promo. It was so interesting. I saw the songs, like promotion songs. That's why I told her I want to see the film.
How much you relate to that?
How much do you?
How much you relate to that character? Which you have seen on the screen as a teaser or trailer.
50-60% will be related, I think, only. If it is mad.
Okay, so what is the biggest quality of a woman? Are they cunning?
Are they?
My character is cunning.
So I'm just asking.
In the film or outside?
In general, yeah.
In general?
Yeah.
Now though it's in full media is there. Very good. Very, very good.
So I take it.
Then only keeping you, I told this. Then only otherwise.
Okay, Babu sir, something out of the box. What happened in the current? Recently there's a film released, Mani Karne Ka. Now the Krish, one of the finest director we have in the South, he's claiming the entire film is shot and directed by him. And Kangna has taken the credit. What's your take on that? What do you think about this, sir? Krish belongs to South India, and he's one of the finest director we have in the industry. Not in the Krish, apart from Krish, there's another actress, Mishti. Even she claimed the same. The role had been chopped off because of the Kangna.
See, really, I don't know anything about that. Even if I know, I can't tell you. No, that's what. Really, I don't know anything. Even if I know, I can't tell now.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you guys. Thank you. Other problem.
Sir, budget.
Dabang 3?
I will talk later about this. Why in this? No, because I mean, I have to talk that later.
प्रभु जी, ये जो सोशल मीडिया पे ये जो पिक्चर्स ट्रोलिंग की जाती है, लाइक 2 दिन पहले हमने देखा रणवीर सिंह की फोटोज को ट्रोल की गई, लाइक पुलिस की वर्दी वालों के साथ उन्होंने फोटो, ये जो
अच्छा, no, I have not seen it.
सोशल मीडिया पे जो ट्रोलिंग होती है पिक्चर्स की, इसे कैसे देखते हैं?
On that you are telling or normal, generally you are asking?
In general. Any Bollywood celeb, he get trolled.
See what to do now? I mean, we can't do anything about this. YouTube aa gaya, like this came, that came. Everything we have to pass. Thank you.
Thank you.
Which is next opportunity?
Sir, what would you like to say about your next project?
That well I will talk later. Now this is not the time. I will definitely have to talk so much thing about it. I will talk.
Almost a year I have been like after a year.
Correct, na?
Yes.
But after 1 year you waited, na? More 1 month.
Teaser of it. Jhalak.
Soon I will talk. That's not it.
Thank you.
guys are fantastic. How are you?
एक साथ यहीं पे वीडियो वाले क्यों आगे जा रहे हैं? वीडियो वाले पीछे से मत आजा लेफ्ट साइड बोतो
ना या सेंटर बोतो या सेंटर भाई पीछे
श्रुति जी सेंटर
तमन्ना मैम श्रुति मैम सेंटर
बोतो भी है
आई एम लेफ्ट बोतो भी लेफ्ट
मैम यू राइट या मैम राइट मैम बेटी यहाँ पे यहाँ पे मैम बेटी मैम यहाँ
श्रुति सोलो पे
Thank you.
मैम सॉरी मैम यहाँ मैम लेफ्ट साइड
मैम या सेंटर श्रुति मैम सेंटर
मैम लेफ्ट साइड श्रुति जी सेंटर
सेंटर मैम सेंटर मैम या
मैम
हो गया भाई
मैम यहाँ मैम
श्रुति मैम या सेंटर
Okay. Thank you. Thanks.
तो चले जाओ
You've not seen it? No, you watched it. Sorry, you went to the theatre? No, I am the only person who hasn't watched it.
मैं पीछे ना पूरा पीछे ना
जाना मत मैं तो को भेजा नहीं ना समाना जी राइट में हां वो तो इसका अलग राइट पे नहीं राइट टू लेफ्ट करेंगे गुरु सीधा आ जाना सीधा आ जाना या थैंक यू चलो बाय